Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody had a question about blending two size ellipses. So I'm going to select that ellipse, hold down the Shift key and select that ellipse. I'm going to go to Effects and blend, open up the blend docker. I'm going to blend it 8 times and hit Apply. But the problem they're having, they want them all equally spaced out. And I know you can play around with that inside of there, but this is a lot easier just to do this. Let's go to Object and break the blend apart. We'll go to Object and ungroup them. And then let's go ahead and take our line away. Now let's open up another Docker, Windows, Dockers, Align and Distribute, and select all your circles and pick this one right here, which is distribute them horizontally. That put them the same distance apart. So whenever you're doing something like that, that's how you can do that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.